Welcome to our fun YouTube quiz about popular dog breeds. Love dogs or just curious? Join us. Let's guess the top breeds together. Subscribe now and let's begin. Which breed is known for its loyalty? What breed is often used as a police dog? Which breed is famous for its wrinkled face? What breed is associated with hunting? Which breed is known for its fluffy coat? Which breed is often used as a guide dog? What breed is famous for its distinctive curly fur? Which breed is known for its small size? What breed is often described as gentle? Which breed is associated with agility? Which breed is known for its intelligence? What breed is often seen in movies as heroic? Which breed is famous for its smushed face? Which breed is associated with herding? What breed is often described as playful? That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on one of these videos for your next challenge.